Welcome to my Thailand vlog, guys.
With vlog. Vlog hả? Ở đâyยังขอจะ vlog ของน้าตอนนั้นลีน่า first time vlog. Yeah, like
first time hop in the water นั่นเอง
Yeah. แต่เป็นแต่ยังโชว์แต่เป็นเมนสำหรับ
So now we are leaving home and we are walking to the Future Park Mall and we are eating something.
Pick one.
Vegetable clears.
I want to tell you that the tom yum goong in here is very good.
Yeah.
After eating, we just like go scroll around visiting all kinds of pharmacies there.
ตะวันรงจ
Tom cham.
ำรงจำตะกี้วัน
It's actually really eye-opening because it's just the beginning here. Everything looks really fancy and amazing. And the fact that it's just my friend lives a little far away from the center of the Bangkok itself, but it's already great there at the Future Park Mall, so it really fascinates me somehow.
Thailand trip. Cái đấy. Chồng gì hàng đi ông đi thôi. Dạ bụng nó là thơ A3 đấy thở.
Thơ ấy do từ xong tu ban tờ mình. Ôi xong xong phải ông nói.
Là ô lại hai biết mà miền tây một con bạn đi chăm vậy. Nè ông rồi sần chậm nói trái tất tăng khối. Ê mẹ sao phải chật thập. Mình cá chạch lùi. Cold là. It's like.
Cleansing là just spotless brightening over here. Yeah.
Simply, we are walking now back home and we are finding the van so that we can go back. Life is very simple. At the time, it's like shopping and eating and walking. Really enjoying.
Cái tơ bán chọn lại cái này tơ University na của ba này tơสมรภูมิ airport của ba này lên đông buồn hay là về tơ dương tơธรรมศาสตร์ รังสิต University của ba
So we go to Thammasat.
Yeah ให้เลยตơ ปัตยาcủa ba này.
แล้ว how do we like select
Don't care. No, God, no care. So slow. Không hay mang dài.
Now it's the second day and we already had our trip planned, so we just go around the Patunam area and we booked a tour to go to Hua Hin Beach. At first we planned to go to Khao Yai, but we changed plans, so now we go to Hua Hin Beach and you will see how great it is.
Còn là online chung dân tân mở hả?
Yes.
Oh nice.
Because like last time I told him that.
Hello, ôi. Ở này. You asked
I asked him to that's why I know. Cái này sai sắp kẹp rồi mà.
On the way now and we're going to have a short stop just to eat our lunch.
I never eaten this before.
This food is really good. It's called guajap and it's available in Cambodia too. It's a kind of Chinese food but I've never eaten, but you can try.
Because everything will look so intriguing, like thờ những trong xe. Like I don't have, I never tried. Cái mình đã hụt đông rồi.
អត់ដឹងទេ
It's funny though.
តែផ្អែមខ្លាំងពួកខ្ញុំផ្អែមហ្នឹងលើសកម្រិត
Well, I'm not playing with the food, but the fact that it's so sweet, the coconut one, and I just have to mix.
Oh Lord, that's sad. For sure. Why not? It's like exploration. Ooh, hello. Cái hai bên lover đó là vui cái lạnh cái gì ạ? Wow, pin nè đi. Hello. 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 Oh, it's coming. Oh, yeah. It's so nice. Mẹ mẹ đón tham mi thợ chủ bình nữa.
Hello
Đọ tôi vô bình lợi, tại vì hiện tại mót bình nữa. Lina, I'm fine. It's so hungry.
ហ៎ណែណែជ្រុះដៃចឹងអត់អីអត់អី
Ôi, vì xin từ đây nè.
អត់ឯគោះហងអូខេ
It's from Scotland. Hello.
Hello. You look so beautiful.
Hello. Hụt hồn.
ไม่ใช่คนไทยนะ
หลดให้หน้าทางขวา
Showing the plan. Oh, một bạn đã bánh phở.
វ៉ាវ
And that's really cute. Ủa, muốn nó xin con ong mà hả?
So we're just exploring around, and the structure is more likely in the small street in Europe, right?
Tao bán kia là cute anh
អី
ơi.
អត់អីខនហើយស្មោះតា
Ôi, anh tao bán đây cute đấy. Tao bán.
อันนี้คือสวยสวยสีขาว
Ôi, nó đám kia cho anh post app. Ôi, ơi con thấy sao nè. Ôi, cute chừng cây anh ơi. Đi ơi thấy sao. À, pin này nó còn clear nó ngừng pin này mới. Đi xin cần.
ตาหวานจับได้นะคะตาหวานจับได้นะคะ
តែลูกหัวได้ใช่ไหมคะ
หัวลูกหัวได้
เว้ยอันนั้นไอ้ก็บาไปบานอีกการโอ้โอ้โอ้
พอถ่ายรูปได้ค่ะเอาแครอทมาล่อนะ
So now we've come to another place called Siam, Venezia. So it's like a copy of Rome, I guess, in Italy. So it's very like fairy tale actually. And it's just really fun to go around. And there's not a lot of people, just like two of us. And it's like we own the place.
Oh God. Okay.
Hi
Two people.
ขอคนเดียวใช่ไหมคะ
So we now arrived at the hotel. It's Amari Horhin, and it's very beautiful.
โอเค
So nice.
so nice
Oh.
so nice ค่ะ
It's something like this. Hey. Oh, I
room
love the
tour.
room. Yeah. Oh my God, this was so
โอ้
nice.
ยมืออ่ะ
Oh, thì nam bên này hả? Oh my
โอ้ย
God.
หมายมือตุ๊กตาหลังสะอาดกาย
Oh my.
อามารีโคหินเนี่ย oh my god
Hello. Oh my God, this is so good.
finding seafood.
Finding seafood to eat.
Of course. คลันคลันขุ่นสุด
Yeah, the smell of seafood. เจ้าเลย
So after eating, we go and look around at the night market at the Hua Hin, and then here is like the market village.
It's so beautiful. สะอาดอ๋อคือโฮมกันร้องจ้ะพอต้องอีอยู่อุ้มเป็นเลงเพลงเองนะ
So now we are at another market called Tamarind Market, and we just want to explore, and the fact that we see the seafood again, so eat again.
ที่มันน้องหินชาบางคนยังลง
เป็นยังไงเป็นยังไง
จากบ้านยูฉลุกว่าตื้อให้ยำโอ้จังยำเอาให้
เดี๋ยวซาเวียติดหูซาเดี๋ยวซาเวียหูจังหม่อมจังแต่อันนี้มีปักเตะเดี๋ยวซาพูดที่มีซิกลองตรงเนื้อสมองเขาเป็นตั้งพูดนั่งเวียเห็นมีแม่หูจังจะให้แกเธอจะมันไม่จะอ่อนมองปันยำเก่า
กินแน่look
หลังสะอาดนี่ก้าหลัง
See look around. It's so beautiful. Oh my god.
Well, there's not much channel I can watch except the fashion one here, and watching the fashion luxury thing in the luxury hotel feels something really great. I just simply feel so happy, and like life is super meaningful and it's very peaceful. I can say this is my first time for me to travel without my laptop, so I don't have to work while traveling. It's a real break for me, and it really energizes me somehow. And time does fly when we are so happy, and it's been a whole day and I feel so relaxed, like finally it's time to sleep. So we are just scrolling around finding the next trip for tomorrow. And here's another day already, and I just like after swimming at the pool, just looking at the view, very peaceful, I can tell. Now it's time for breakfast again. It's kind of local one that Lina found it on TikTok.
ว้าวเนี่ยนะคะนี่กาแฟเย็น2ค่ะ
คนค่ะนี่นะจะน้องกันเนี่ย
วายอยู่
Oh my god, it's okay.
ไม่เป็นไร
Because it's so close to the sea, so we decided to walk straight to the sea, and you will see how it looks like. Now we arrived at the Hawaiian beach, and there are not so many people again, and we just enjoy the view around.
Oh my god.
Honestly, I have mixed feeling there. It's like one kind of peaceful, relaxed, and enjoyable, but the other is that the sky is not so clear, so a little nervous. Now it's time to eat again, the lunch. So just sit by and look at how life is moving. You see everything's moving, and I try to reflect on how life works, so it's a good opportunity.
Market Village นะคะ ค่ะเดี๋ยวหนูจะไปถึงแบบต้มยำ
อันนี้มันแค่ฮันบุกไทยอันนี้เรียก full flavor มั้งอันนี้ใส่เกลือ
จอมจอมปลาร่า
สอดอาตี
So this is day 4, and we come to catch some coffee at the Chaktochak. So next we are going to Bangkok. So our first destination at Bangkok is the Chaktochak market. So you will explore with me now. So here we are.
Here with
with what with Tonica at Chaktochak
Chaktochak Market
sure
โอ้มะกรามรอดา
อันนี้việc dịch bộ bia rồi Oh my god. Mời tới từ ổng. Oh, we need to wait till they come. In the metro.
Then we take the BTS, the Sky Train. So now we're walking towards.
พี่ก้ามี ABS สแกนเหรอ
Sure.
เราพอสแกนอยู่เตอชิดลมสแกนนะ
I'm gonna pay now. Hay nhớ.
Now we go up to wait for the BTS to arrive. Now we are at the Central World for lunch, and this restaurant is very popular, but we have to wait for a while.
Off payment thế này. Can you taste it?
Our next destination is at the Wat Arun, so we are going towards there.
Give me nè. Không. So beautiful.
Now we are on the ferry boat, and it's simply refreshing, and there are so many tall buildings there. It's simply a new experience. Love it. Now we arrived at the Icon Siam. It's a luxury mall and I'm very impressed by it. The design is very beautiful. This is something I've never seen before. Like there's so many plants in there.
Stand in front of ICS Gate 2 is also available. Thank you.
Chạy đường xa bay xôn thẻ mà ở đây xa bay xôn thẻ mày băng bay gì khách được Bangkok tặng à
anh đang tung ý này nè là đi này khách lại mà anh đi mở mà để tham lại về ngày khách nó phê các bạn mà nó phê họ điện tử
สวัสดีค่ะ
นะครับอันนี้กล้องถ่ายใช่ไหมฮะ
ใช่ค่ะ
bắt chiếu bạn
อ๋อพี่ไม่อยากเข้าใช่ไหมว่าไม่เป็นไร
จริงๆอ่ะในร้านอ่ะอัดไม่ได้ครับเพราะมันติดลูกค้าท่านอื่นด้วย
โอเคค่ะ
อ๋อถูกแล้วค่ะถ้ายกไปถูกแล้วจ้ะขออนุญาตนะจ๊ะโอเคเขาทำทัชไอดีปะทัชไอดีเนี่ยค่ะไหนยก
đã đi hết rồi giúp cho mình đã ok.
As I walk, I see something very impressive again. It's the waterfall, like in the middle of the mall. We walk a lot the whole day and feel like super tired. Our legs are so tired, so now we decide to eat something and have a good rest. And here we are at like a pad Thai restaurant. So now we are waiting for the taxi to go to our next destination because it's not end yet. So we're going to the Chinatown that I really want to see so much.
ทอดแบบคอนเซนต์อะไรก็จะเป็นเรื่องนี้คือแบบเย้ยาว
at the Chinatown guys. Đã clear.
It is now time to go back and relook at our next station to stop by.
Nó bây giờ chụp ở dương châu nhỉ? Ô mèo nhỉ?
Mày lại coi đi.
Here again, going back home now.
Yeah.
Now we continue to the BTS, so we follow the same steps to go on the SkyTrain.
Ngừng slow.
I see.
Quay ba hai per station ấy. Sao mà mình lại quay cho? Nhưng tăng chi ngày nó mang quay có mang mặt lại sao? Sad rồi.
Cái này kiểu vậy, so hopefully.
Không tham như mình cho.
on the way back home. Một ly nè.
You can tell we are super tired, but we are very satisfied at the end of the day. So it's really worth it. Now for day 5, I've got a really good rest in the morning and having to leave in the afternoon. And I really didn't want to leave because it was so awesome. And I also realized this is it. Another world here. Going abroad has always been my dream, and it's scary, but I did it, and somehow I'm very fulfilled and I'm very proud of myself, and it was a great trip.